In this video, we'll show you how to create this beautiful double stitch braid. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp. For this style, we'll need some mini clear elastic bands, a claw clip, a rat tail comb, a detangling brush, and hairspray. Once everything is ready, start by brushing the hair to remove any tangles. Use the tail of the comb to divide the hair into 2 equal sections from front to back. Push one side over the shoulder to keep it out of the way, and start working on the other side. Take a small section at the top front near the part and divide it into 3 even sections. Keep them small and even. Now start Dutch braiding. Take one outer section under the middle, then bring the other outer section under the new middle. Repeat this for 2 or 3 passes to create the base of the braid. Once the base is set, start adding hair before crossing each section. Take a clean vertical section from the braid toward the center part or toward the hairline. Add it in, then bring that section under the middle. These added sections create the clean sidelines that flow into the braid. Continue the same pattern, working close to the scalp and keeping each section clean and even. Use the tail of the comb whenever needed to keep the lines neat and defined. As the braid moves down, the sections from both the center part side and the hairline side should get slightly wider until the braid passes the middle of the scalp. This helps keep the braid balanced and centered. While adding and braiding, keep the tension firm but comfortable. The braid should look neat and secure, but it should never feel painful. As you move past the temple, keep the braid smooth and centered on that side of the head. Keep adding hair on both sides and let the shape of the hairline guide the braid naturally. Once there is no more loose hair left on that side to add in, continue braiding the remaining length as a regular 3-strand braid all the way down. Keep the tension even so the tail looks neat and smooth. Secure the tail of the braid with a clear elastic band. Take a good look at the first braid before moving on. Now repeat the exact same pattern on the other side. Try to match the tension and the distance from the center part to the first braid so both braids look even and balanced. Braid the second tail all the way down, secure it with the final band, and make sure both ends sit at a similar length. To keep the sidelines in place, use a light mist of hairspray at the end. And that's the final look of this clean, lifted, and easy-to-wear double-stitch braid hairstyle.